Hi guys, it's Christmas Warrior with my dog back at it with another video. And today we'll be racing with my dog again, creating another account obviously. So we'll have to pause the recording first. See you in a while. And we are back with my dog's qualifying race. Okay, so I'll be typing first. Oh. Well, I actually typed most of it, so hopefully he got a decent typing speed this time. Okay, and arg. Wow, 18 words per minute, not bad. Not bad actually. I like the Masuk's Lion, and my crew is actually not being very helpful right now. Except all. And of course, I love trolling noobs, so we'll be trolling some noobs. And I'll be handing my dog to my assistant currently and trolling some noobs. Oh yeah. Okay, so my alt team. Okay. Don't know why it's called a noob, but I'll be racing. No. Yes. So basically trolling noobs. But not too good. Maybe we could do another trolling race because I made this really bad on purpose actually. So we'll be doing another race. Oh geez, it's glitching. Though I'm glitching. Okay, so sorry if there's low quality. Hope there's not. Okay, not too good. Thought it would be better. Guess it wasn't. And yeah. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, I know why. Because there are ads. Okay, so pretty good. Not bad. And we'll pause first and see you in a while. Hi guys, we're back in my main account. So we'll be seeing some achievements I've accomplished this season. Level 52, all achievements, Nitro Gold this season. And after the Nitro Gold, I'd like to say that I got the Samshire and Zonde Tricolor. So these are my two new cars I just got like right before today. Right before Christmas. So pretty happy about that. Racing with this car since it's Christmas time. Hope everyone has a Merry Christmas Eve currently. My tree is up. It's Christmas Eve night now. And see you next video. Merry Christmas, everyone.